Hello and welcome to Crafting with Ty and Friends. Today I'm doing another requested video of showing you guys how to add your glitter and group it together on your template. So when you print it, it still be looking like glitter. So I have my sneaker template here and I brought in two different glitters backgrounds that I found on Google. So we'll take the pink one here first. And I'm going to stretch it. See, when you stretch it, it no longer look like glitter when you start to stretch it more and more. So what I do is I stretch it until it still looks like glitter. I'm actually gonna stretch it the other way. And once I get it to where it still looks like glitter and I can no longer stretch it anymore, that's when it starts looking distorted. I will copy and paste. And then I'll just set it next to, and then I'll copy and paste it again if I need to. And do the same. And then I will group it together. And what you want to do is you want to select all three of these pink glitters. So you want to select and hit control and then select. Then you go up here to the toolbar and group. So now it's all connected. And I will basically rotate this and set it on the edge of my sneaker. See, and then you can still make changes if you need. You can ungroup and make changes. And you do the same with your gold. So I'll just copy and paste. I'm trying to rush this, but and do it again. That one's not even. And then you control, select, and group. Then when you go to print, you should still have that glossy glitter look. You see, I have a space still in between that. So make sure you have it the right way. But you see, it still looks like glitter. And that's how you get your glitter effect, and that is how you select items and group them together in Publisher. It's the same exact thing you'll do when you're using words. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Tell a friend.